If you're struggling to find products that actually sell, the AutoDS product research tool is one of the easiest ways to spot winners in 2025 fast. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Product Research. Right away, you'll see a curated list of trending items pulled from top suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. Each product comes with pricing, profit margins, supplier ratings, shipping info, and even how many stores are already selling it. Ain't that cool? You can filter by category, supplier, shipping location, or set specific profit goals looking for US shipping or items under $5. Set your filters, and AutoDS handles the rest. What makes it powerful is the AI tagging. AutoDS highlights high potential products based on real time sales, trends, and market demand. These are the ones with the best shot at converting. When you find something you like, just click import draft and it's added to your store with product images and variants and descriptions already filled in. You can customize everything before publishing though. It saves you hours of scrolling through AliExpress manually, and 2025 is smarter than ever. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video where I test one of these products live and break down how it performs.